Hi guys, I hope you're doing okay. I'm good, thank God. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi and I'm here to share with you ideas on how to decorate or homestyle a home and a little bit of lifestyle. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make homemade aloe vera to use on your natural hair. Yes guys, and aloe vera has a lot of benefits on your natural hair, and let me share with you some of the benefits aloe vera has on a natural hair. It acts as a great conditioner on your hair. It reduces dandruff, prevents itching of your on your scalp. It also promotes hair. It also promotes hair growth and also leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Yes, guys, and also thickens your hair. Okay, that is all the benefits from the aloe vera, and all you need guys is just that aloe vera plant. You just go to the store and get buy yourself that aloe vera plant, come with it home, clean it, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that, on how after you get it from the store you bring it in the house, wash it, and I'll show you how to get that aloe vera juice and use it on your hair. Okay guys, so let's go and I show you how to get that juice from the aloe vera plant. And guys, aloe vera is very affordable and no chemicals added, nothing. It's just the aloe vera plant, and after you get the juice you just apply it on your hair. It can stay on your hair. You leave it on your hair for 1 hour, or you can leave it on your hair for 24 hours, you know, like overnight or even overnight. It depends on how you want your hair to look like. Okay, so guys, let's make this aloe vera juice and we apply it on your on our hair. Me specifically, I've been using aloe vera on my hair. I've been using lice water on my hair. Like I don't know, I have come to just start using those natural products on my hair because I messed up with my hair sometimes back and I don't want to go back there. I'm in a journey of growing back my natural hair and I don't want to mess with my hair no more. So I'm very specific on what I'm putting on my hair. I'm very specific on what I'm doing with my hair. So if I tell you aloe vera is good, guys, it is good. If I tell you rice water works, guys, it do work. So I'm not just here sitting here and just telling you, oh, this does work, and I've not experimented on myself. I have done it, guys, and that's why I'm here confident and passing this information to you guys, because it has worked for me and I would like it to work for you. Okay guys, so yes, I've used aloe vera, I've used rice water, and I'm still using them and I'm not going to stop using them. Okay guys, so let me go show you how to make the juice, and you can apply it on your hair. I usually leave mine overnight and then I wash my hair the following day. Yeah, and it also acts as a detangler on your hair. Like, you know, the moment you apply it on your hair and you comb your hair like this, it detangles your hair. No much effort, no much effort at all. Like when you're, oh, I don't know what to use to detangle my hair and all that. No much effort, guys. So yes guys, let's go and I show you how to make this aloe vera juice. Okay. So guys, this is my aloe vera. I have already washed it, I've cleaned it. So I'm going to cut it in small pieces. cutting this side part. You know, they are spiky. Oh yes. So guys, I'm going to use my clear bowl, and I'll cut this like into half like this, and I'm not gonna go deep inside because the reason why I'm doing this, I want the juice. Ugh. Yeah, my aim here is to get this sticky juice here. I'm going to use a spoon to scoop it. So guys, I'm going to use this sieve here to sieve my aloe vera, and I'm going to use another clear bowl. You can use any kind of bowl. It doesn't have to be necessarily the clear bowl. So I'm going to sieve it because all I need is the juice. I don't want these white clumps. If these white clumps gets to your hair, it's a struggle to wash them down. So yes guys, let's do this. You can see it's sieving, so I'll go ahead and put just a little bit like that. As you can see, this is all the clumps from aloe vera. Yeah, and guys, here is the juice. You can see it. So I'll use this one for my hair. This one is enough for me and for my baby girl, so I'm gonna share this one with my girl. And Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Love you all. Bye.